This is a really cool work light, so you can see me cycling through the different colors and brightnesses and everything like that. Let me show you what you get out of the box and how I use this. This is the work light. Comes with this carrying pouch and a USB-C charging cable. The light has a built-in tripod, so you can set it up any way you want it to. You can easily adjust the head and move it back and forth. Really nice to point in the direction you want. The back here is where you will charge it, and then there's just an on-off button. You can see it's nice and bright. So if you do a single press, it cycles through a few different settings. So you can change the brightness. You can also change the temperature, warm or cool. This is nice for prolonging the battery and being easy on the eyes. On the back here are these little lights that indicate that it is charging. Here set up on the tripod, you can see just how easy it is to adjust and turn and point it anywhere you want it to go. Really nice concept. The tripod feet can also be adjusted, so you can wrap this around a pole or something like that. If you want to hang it up, you can make kind of a hook out of the feet and you can hang it. Really versatile for where you place this light. With the magnets on the leg, you can easily place it on a freezer or refrigerator or something like that, and you can turn it around and easily adjust or hang it on ducts or bend the leg and hang it wherever you want. This was sent to me so I could do this video review. I use work lights a ton. I do a lot of projects in my home. I have an old home, so I'm always fixing things, and this is really nice how versatile it is to just set up with the tripod, or you can hang it up with the magnets. You can twist these legs so that you can hang it up anywhere you want or twist it around a pole. It's just really versatile, really nice. It's not like crazy bright, but it is bright. It's bright enough to see what you're working on, and it's nice that you can cycle through different modes. You got the red mode if you want to protect your eyes, and then you can go through different brightnesses, kind of a strobe for setting up on your car, like if you're working on the road and you need the safety. So really cool light. I think really the only thing I don't like about it is the button to cycle through the lights. You press like that, and then when you press it, it moves the light up. Really annoying. They should have just put it in the very middle. Put it in the middle. That's where you should put the button, not right here. So you will have to kind of hold on to the ball while you press the buttons. But despite me being annoyed by that, it is kind of a minor annoyance. Overall, this is a really cool light. Highly recommend it. It's also really easy to charge. Just plug in USB-C. There you go.